Apex U-Guard, premium safety and anti-mar fastener drive tools. During fastening, unprotected tools can cause in-system damage and marring. The gap between the power tool and the rotation socket can cause severe accidents. An operator's glove can get easily entangled and lead to serious injuries. The Apex U-Guard line of covered drive tools is the tool line of choice for almost all leading assembly plants. Apex U-Guard is made from special thermoplastic urethane material which provides maximum protection for polished and highly sensitive surfaces. The tools allow the drive tool to spin freely inside of the covers, significantly reducing contact from the rotating tool during a fastening operation. The Apex U-Guard gap covers are specifically designed to eliminate the gap between a socket and an extension or between a right-angle power tool and a socket extension. By eliminating pinch points when operators are wearing gloves, operator safety is increased and ergonomics are improved. Check out our large variety of more than 1,000 available part numbers. Custom solutions for unique covered drive tool needs can be developed upon request. Enhance your productivity by reducing lost time due to injuries and recordable incidents.
If you have any questions, you can contact us at 800-808-7168, or you can email us at sales@intmfg.com. We look forward to assist you with your manufacturing needs.